Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a super easy edible chocolate chip cookie dough recipe. And this recipe is 100% safe to eat because 1, it is eggless, and 2, the flour is microwaved, therefore no risk of E. coli. So let's get started. The ingredients needed are 2 tablespoons softened unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons light or dark brown sugar, 1 tablespoon granulated white sugar, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon 2%, 1% or whole milk, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 6 tablespoons white all-purpose flour, and 1/4 cup milk chocolate chips, but you can always add more or less. So first you're just going to take your flour and pop that in the microwave for 30 seconds to a minute, just to eliminate any risk of E. coli. Next, in a small bowl, cream together your butter and both sugars, brown and white, until mixed. Add in the vanilla extract as well as the milk and stir to combine. It should have a similar consistency to pancake batter. Next, mix in your salt and your flour. If your mixture is still wet, you can add in more flour to firmen it up. Now for the best part, you can dump your chocolate chips and go ahead and stir those in. So that's basically it for this delicious edible chocolate chip cookie dough recipe. If you want to save this for another time, you can just cover it with some plastic wrap and store it in the fridge. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go check out my other videos and I'll see you next time. Bye!